Now, Jamaica, having produced so many superstars in the sport of athletics, we don't really frightened for talent. But this girl, Shanoya Douglas, is frightening. Here we were pondering what moves will be made to get her to that next level, not realizing that based on her rapid improvement, race after race this season, this girl at 18 is already on her way to that next level. In addition to her 10.98 in the 100, her 22.11 over the 200 is already Olympic and World Championship medal winning time. Yes. So as to the big speculation as to which camp she will end up, question, if her coach, Garth Smythe, can get her to 10.9 and 22.1, what would then prevent him from taking her down to 10.7 or 10.6? How I see Shanoya Douglas right now, even me, the Maverick, could coach her to that next level because she's already right there at that next level.